Hey guys, John Richards here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to do intermittent fasting when you work out in the morning. The first thing I would say is make sure that you keep it simple. I've been intermittent fasting now for about 3 years, and you have to kind of have a purpose for fasting. For me, I'm 59. I still struggle with the weight issue, and if I don't fast, I gain weight. I used to do the old bodybuilding diet where I'd eat 6 or 8 meals a day, and I try to eat, I do a protein drink before I went to work out, and then I do one extreme, after. I like fasting a lot better, and the way I do it, I started out doing a 16-hour fast, and then I'd eat for 8 hours, and now I do an 18-hour fast, and I eat for 6 hours. So what I do is I do it the same way every single day. So you got to keep it simple. So what I do is I start my fast at 7 o'clock at night. Now, I get up extremely early, and I go work out at 6 o'clock in the morning. So I'm fasting about 11 hours when I go to work out. And I do this 6 days a week. So I do it the same way every single day. So I don't want to move it around, think about it, make it complicated. So I start my fast at 7 o'clock. I go work out at 6 o'clock. Now, here's the problem most people think that you have with fasting. I'm not going to have any energy. I'm not eating. That's not the case. My energy is usually through the roof. And I've been doing this for a long time. Do I struggle sometimes to, that I'm hungry? Yes. But it's not an energy thing. It's just my mental, process thinking I got to eat. And that's not the case. So I go work out at 6 o'clock. I usually work out. Now I work out with weights. And then I do a 30-minute cardio session 6 days a week. And then when I get home, I don't even break my fast. Now I get home at 7:30. I don't break my fast till 1 o'clock. And I still have energy. I'm burning fat, that whole time. Because for me, my purpose is losing fat. Now, maybe for you, it's something else. So I have a purpose and a reason, but I make sure I keep it really, really simple. Now, here's what I do. At 1 o'clock, when I break my fast, I do 30 grams of protein. Because the biggest thing with fasting is you got to make sure, you get enough protein, you get enough carbs, you get enough fat. So I break my fast with 30 grams of protein, a protein drink. Then about 15 minutes later, I do an evenly portioned meal where I have, a fistful of protein and a fistful of carbohydrates, evenly portioned, and I do that about 1:15. Now then I don't eat again until 6 o'clock. Sometimes I will eat a snack in the middle of the afternoon, maybe some pork rinds or some almonds. One of the things you don't want to do, most people think because I'm fasting, I can eat whatever I want during the eating window. That's not the case. This is not a, all-out war on eating anything you want. You want to still control that if you're trying to lose fat, according to what your goals are. So at 6 o'clock, I eat my second meal. And again, it's evenly portioned. It's a palm size or a fist size of protein and a fist size of carbohydrates and usually some butter or whatever, a little bit of fat, and sometimes some vegetables. Then right at 6:45, before I start my fast again, I do another 30 grams of protein. I want to make sure I get enough protein to build muscle. And actually your growth hormones, it kind of explode after, I believe it's like 13 hours, and you can't quote me on that, but your growth hormone goes up as you fast. So fasting is really good for you. So how to do intermittent fasting if you work out in the morning is no different if you do it in the afternoon or the evening. It's a matter of making it a duplicatable process, a simple process that you don't really have to think about. So I know that, hey, I start my fast at 7 o'clock. I know I work out at 6 o'clock. I get home at 7:30, and then I break my fast at 1. And then I have a process there where I break my fast with 30 grams of protein. 15 minutes later, I do a meal. Then at 6 o'clock, I do another meal. And then at 6:45, I do a protein drink. Okay, so that's the process. So working out in the morning is great on intermittent fasting. Don't think you're going to lose energy. Don't think you're going to lose muscle, all that. I have as much strength as I normally have, and I've done this for 3 years, so I pretty much know what I'm talking about here. Hey, if you guys like this, make sure you comment. Make sure you tell me if you're fasting while you work out, or make sure you're thinking about it. If you have any questions, again, I've been doing this for a while. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you click the link on the bell on the side. Make sure you get notified of any future videos. Hey, if you want to get on my email list, I email these videos out every single week to my email list. Just click the link below, and that'll take you to where you can get on my email list. Hey, go out and make it an awesome day today, guys. Be exceptional. Thank you.